What is up, YouTube? No, but this is how to make the bubble noise of Doob, okay? B-Box tutorial. Number 1. Chin looks horrible. I hate it. Okay, sorry for the hair. It's horrible. Absolutely horrible. Like, I might just no. But, okay. It's really simple. It's the easiest noise that I've ever learned. Please excuse these posters. I'm at my cousin's house. You might meet her later. Okay, let's get started. Lick your lips. Go. Okay. And put index finger only. Like this. Hold on. Hi. Okay. And, you put your finger like this. Really simple. Go one more time, I guess. Sorry for my hair. Like, it's horrible. I just got out of the shower and I forgot to comb it. Okay, whatever. That's not the point here. The bubble noises is. So, you lick your lips. I lick my finger for some reason just to make the noises better. And put your finger like this. Really easy noise. If you want to see more tutorials about beatboxing, leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll continue the beatbox tutorial series. Yeah. Do it. Okay, yeah, I'm done. See you next video. Have a nice day.